Hi, my name is Jennifer and today I'm introducing AeroSlim, a unique metabolic breathing accelerator that supports healthy and steady weight loss for you. AeroSlim is a powerful formula created to enhance your metabolic breathing rate, giving you all the support you need to start shedding your unwanted fat. According to experts at Stanford University, the way you breathe is directly related to weight gain, so making a simple change to your breathing can speed up the weight loss process. AeroSlim is the only natural weight loss supplement that works in harmony with your body's natural functioning to eliminate stubborn fat through breathing. In other words, it provides your body with the essential natural compounds to maximize your metabolic rate of respiration, allowing you to expel more stubborn fat throughout the day without the need for restrictive diets or exhaustive exercise. Each AeroSlim tablet contains a carefully dosed proprietary blend of selected botanicals and minerals combined to complement each other to form a powerful weight management formula. Ingredients include vitamin D3, oncolobo extract, ivy extract, mullein extract, coltsfoot extract, serratiopeptidase, and peppermint essential oil. Simply take one chewable tablet per day, which can be chewed or left to melt in your mouth. AeroSlim is ideal for those who want to lose weight and tone areas such as the stomach, hips, and thighs, without the fear of dangerous side effects or expensive surgical procedures. It is aimed at men and women looking to regain confidence in their appearance, tired of the frustrating cycle of diets and exercises without satisfactory weight loss results. When you order 6 or 3 bottles, you will receive 2 free bonuses. Bonus 1. From Sagging to Fabulous, a guide to achieving firm, toned, cellulite-free skin for the rest of your life. Bonus 2. Decadent Delights, deliciously simple dessert recipes for guilt-free indulgence. Plus, every order includes free shipping. 96% of customers opt for 6 bottles, our recommended option. We guarantee 100% satisfaction with our 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not impressed with the results, simply contact us and we'll refund every penny of your order. Take advantage of the AeroSlim discount while supplies last.